Welcome to the Balkans.
Tell them not to wash the car. We don't have any money. It's a joke. Tell them.
Nemojte nam prat auto, nemamo para.
Please identify yourself.
Aid workers, we are willing to help.
It's very simple. We cannot touch dead bodies.
The people here need water.
Fat fuck. You look different from the last time I saw you.
Sure, I'm dressed. We need to check if the mission still makes sense.
First, we're gonna get our friend out of the well.
You're not allowed.
Says who?
The United Nations.
I don't take orders from them. I'm not wearing a helmet. You have any rope? So the people could drink the water. Rope, like...
This won't be easy.